Hello and welcome back to 5-Minute Productivity. My name is Chris Gamere, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to write better tasks in Todoist. In the book Getting Things Done by David Allen, he writes about a very specific process for capturing, organizing, and taking action with tasks. In the future we'll talk more about this process specifically, but today I wanted to talk to you about how to write better tasks. As David Allen states in his book, projects are not tasks. Projects are collections of tasks. Too many people write projects instead of breaking them down into specific actionable tasks. You might think that something like tidy the office, like we have here, is a task, but it's actually a project. So let's go ahead and delete this. Go to our projects, and I'm going to put this under work. So if we click the three dots here, add a project below, it'll keep the same color. And we'll do our tidy the office. Add project, and we'll just move that so it's nested below there. Now that we have our tidy the office project, let's go ahead and add a new task for throw out unneeded papers. Scan important documents to Evernote, but you can use whatever program you want. I use Evernote, so I'm just going to use that for this example. And dust, desk, and computer. I'm going to keep this as a single task, but feel free to break this up into two tasks if you want. And then finally, empty the trash bin. Depending on your office cleaning needs, you might want more or less with this, but I just wanted to keep these 4 tasks. As you can see, all of our tasks have a very clear action verb on the front of them. So throw, scan, dust, and empty. We know exactly what to do, and it's very clear on what this task is and what we need to do in order to complete it. Now I hope you can see that our tidy the office as a task was very unclear as a single task. There's no starting point and there's no way to really know when you're done with that task. So by shifting our thinking and creating subtasks like we did here, your tidy the office project is now a lot more clear and meaningful, and it makes it more doable. Now, moving forward, in the future, you want to be more aware of project verbs like organize, implement, set up, design, or ensure, compared to task verbs like call, email, buy, find. Project verbs are okay when adding something quickly, but when you process your inbox or do a daily or weekly review, you want to take time to convert these to actual projects instead of tasks. Then add more specific tasks under that project, just like what we did with our tidy the office project. Once you're done organizing your project with those subtasks, that would be a great time to add due dates if you wanted, or even labels. I'll put some helpful links in the description below if you want to learn more about writing better tasks, or if you want to pick up David Allen's book, Getting Things Done, which I would highly recommend. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and also let me know about what you think about these writing tips. Click the thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.